So what I've got, Kyle nicely nipped out and got me some Greggs sausage rolls, so I can show you how easy they are to reheat in the air fryer. And a great way if you've not done any baked goods in the air fryer before. So you can do just one, you could fit 4 in there. It's totally up to you. I'm going with just 2. So you're going to grab those and you want to pop them on. So turn it on and you're looking for a temperature of 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, a cook time of 8 minutes, and then press start. Now that the air fryer is working its magic, let me introduce you to the Complete Air Fry Cookbook, which has sold more than 200,000 copies worldwide, is a Sunday Times bestseller, and features in many cookery magazines. But never mind its impressive stats, what success can it bring you? It can teach you how to air fry from experts, having used the air fryer since 2012. Everything actually cooks in the air fryer, so no saucepans, frying pans and such like. It includes step-by-step photos and easy recipes that will get you confident with the air fryer. So search air fryer salmon don online and add it to your Amazon basket. Find it in Lakeland, Waterstones, online at many retailers, or go to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/books. And now, let's see if the air fryer is done. And we've beeped. So, should we check on our sausage rolls? Oh, look at those babies. That's what I'm talking about. Greggs sausage rolls reheated in the air fryer. Now, what a job I have, hey? And of course you can do this with any of your favourite stuff. Just grab something from the bakery that you would normally have warm, and then you can see how your air fryer works and see what a good job it does or a bad job. You know, you might think to yourself, well actually I need to do it in mine for longer. You know, so it gives you a chance to really think from the perspective of what your air fryer is like, because the worst thing here is that so many of us are teaching you how to use them, but we've all got different brands of air fryers, so get to know yours. So grab yourself a napkin. I like a little side plate, and then if you're having them the Aussie way, don't forget the ketchup. So got myself a napkin, got myself the ketchup. Oh, and then look at those sausage rolls. Obviously if you're listening to it, this is also available on YouTube. But oh wow, look at that. So now that's your brilliant starting point for if you haven't done anything baking wise, you're doing your reheat. So now, should we do something frozen? I have got some pan au chocolats that Carl picked up for me, and they're just brilliant for getting to know your air fryer with some frozen bakery goods. You can swap it for whatever you want. You know, if you're in Germany, then the strudels are absolutely amazing from Frozen. Or if you're in the US, cinnamon rolls from Frozen are also fantastic. Just think of one of your favourites and then we can go from there with it, because then you can see what it's like when it's cooked from Frozen. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos, so why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook, and on Pinterest, TikTok, we're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one, and you can also find us at KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week, and we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.